There was a time when I would look back in the mirror and I saw someone I didn't recognize. The person staring back at me was a stranger, one that was bound by fear and expectations. I was trapped in a life that felt suffocating, a constant repetition of motions that brought me no joy. But 3 years ago, when I started this YouTube channel, something within me was sparked, and it was all because of my subscribers. Finally, I found a group of people that didn't judge me, that loved me, wanted to hear more from me, and it allowed me to break free and to become the person that I wanted to be. I want to say a huge thank you to you, my subscribers, because you all don't realize how much you mean to us content creators, especially when we're going through hard times. Because of you, I've been able to go on this reinvention journey, which is an ongoing process. It's not a single destination, it's a continuous dialogue with myself, and I get that. And I'm constantly peeling away the outdated beliefs and limitations. But what I love is that while I'm on this journey, you all have extended me the grace to do so. I embrace my vulnerabilities. I acknowledge my flaws and my imperfections, and I look at them as stepping stones to growth. I have discovered the power of courage, the strength to step outside of my comfort zone and embrace the unknown. Here I am, teaching makeup tutorials, bringing science to beauty, and even doing fashion, something that I never even thought possible. And because of you, my opportunities and experiences that I've had since starting YouTube has been life-changing. Thank you all. I hope you enjoy this video, and from my heart to yours, happy holidays.